Hi friends, today we are going to talk on a very relevant issue, discipline and procrastination. This issue I have realized that it is taken as rocket science. Discipline is nothing but a code of conduct which is prevalent in the society, which is passed over from guru to shish, from father to son, from mother to daughter. It is imbibed from the religious books like Ramayana, Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, Bible, Quran. So it is not a very unachievable thing. Unfortunately, the present generation takes it otherwise, that to be disciplined means to follow some kind of environment where you are bound by rules, regulations, and chains. Discipline is a way of life. It is nothing but a routine. And if you follow them, you are going to achieve very high standards in your life, whether it is academic, professional, or otherwise. I will just give you a small example of discipline. We all have seen bow and arrow. If you see the bow, you will realize that it has got a cord, which is the most important part of the bow, जिसे हिंदी में प्रत्यंचा कहते हैं. जब तक वो प्रत्यंचा उस धनुष पे चढ़ी रहती है, तब तक वो धनुष एक हथियार है. जिस दिन वो प्रत्यंचा ढीली हो जाती है या वो टूट जाती है, तो वो जो हथियार है आपका, the weapon becomes a stick. So the value of discipline in our life is about that pratyancha, that cord on the bow, which either makes it a weapon or a stick. So discipline is basically your daily habits which are there to follow. I'll give you some good examples from the army. That in army we have discipline for everything. And that's why we are the most potent weapon in the state armory. We are the most reliable organization. We are the most trusted organization in India. What I want to emphasize is that when you follow discipline, like we have all kind of disciplines in the army. We will have a morning parade discipline where you are required to get up early. You are required to shave. You are required to go for physical activities, PT, what we call it. And it is a very important discipline in the army. When we were young, like you, we also used to feel that, why get up so early? I mean, it is subhuman to get up at 4 o'clock and, to go running and to sweat it out. But when we became instructors in the academies, we realized that physical fitness is a must. Because when you start your day with physical fitness, the entire day goes off well. Second is your professional discipline, which we have. We have our own working ethos in the army. Like a senior never feels that he's a senior, and a junior should never feel that he's a junior when it comes to discussing various issues. But once a decision has been taken, it has to be followed in letter and spirit. The problem of procrastination, which is, ailing the youth, is they stretch the time as per their convenience. They don't set goals which are realistic. They don't have that kind of discipline in setting the goals. The goal should be small and achievable. It should not happen like एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर है कि बैठ गए मजलिस में जुगनू सारे और ऐलान किया कि सूरज को बदला जाए. So we should not have such kind of goals. The goals should be small. They should be breakable, where you can address them part by part. Then we also have a very good fire discipline in the army. Because when you're going into battle, you have to have fire discipline. You couldn't be having people who are trigger happy. So the three basic postulates of fire discipline are Sahi Shist, the right aim, the right grip, and the right breathing discipline. So what the youngsters are required to learn from this is that you must have the right aim, you should have the right grip of your subject matter, of your area which you are addressing, and you should have right breathing discipline so that you remain fit, you are mentally robust and physically fit to achieve those goals. Another aspect which I want to tell you is that don't leave anything for the last minute, because you will realize that there are always large number of details or more number of details than the last minute. So it is always better that we must finish our to-do list well in time. Prioritize your list. Prioritize your job. Don't leave it that we are going to do it on one fine day. That fine day will never come. Third thing which I want to tell you is that the discipline comes from the daily habits which you have. It takes 8 to 260 hours to make a habit, and it has been proved by a study. And it takes about 65 to 70 days to make a behavior. So if you are not indulging in any kind of physical fitness or any kind of discipline, whether it is academic discipline, whether it is a food discipline, whether it is a sleeping discipline, you are going to relegate the things to tomorrow or to a later time frame where you are always found critical and you will always, have slippages. So what I want to tell you is that have discipline in your life, have everything organized. In 24 hours, you must give 2 hours to yourself. 1 घंटा देश के लिए for your nation. That whatever you want to do, you must contribute in nation building. That doesn't mean that you have to pick up a rifle and go to the border. No, you can help, any organization. You can help the underprivileged children by teaching them. You can, plant some trees so that you help the climate. और 1 घंटा देह के लिए for your body. If your body is fit, you are a fitter person. You will be able to take good decisions. You will be able to do things in the right earnest. So 2 hours out of 24 hours you can always devote, and you can follow the various disciplines as enunciated or as told by our parents, teachers, and the religious books, so that we don't relegate things to tomorrow or to a later time frame where we are not able to achieve them.